Are you ready to experience a whole new level of flight precision and visual clarity? Meet the TD12 LCD Drone, the perfect fusion of smart control, advanced optics, and brushless power. The TD12 LCD comes with an integrated LCD screen controller, giving you real-time image transmission directly on your remote, no phone connection required. You can now see exactly what your drone sees, live and lag-free, for a truly immersive FPV experience. With Optical Flow Precision Positioning, the TD12 analyzes ground texture and light patterns, keeping your drone stable and balanced even indoors or in light winds. The result? Smooth, steady footage every single time. Powered by high-performance brushless motors, this drone delivers strong thrust, low noise, and longer lifespan. You'll feel the difference. It's quieter, faster, and built to last. Worried about storage? The TD12 has you covered. With support up to 32 GB SD cards, you'll have plenty of space for all your HD photos and flight recordings. No need to constantly delete or transfer files. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced flyer, this drone is built for ease. With one-key takeoff and landing, headless mode, and 3 adjustable speed levels, it adapts perfectly to your skill level, giving you confidence and full control from your very first flight. Capture the world from any angle with the 90-degree adjustable motorized camera. Just a tap and you can shift perspectives instantly. Perfect for landscapes, group shots, or cinematic aerial scenes. And when it's time to recharge, the Modular 3.7-volt 1800 mAh battery keeps you flying for up to 19 minutes per session. Pack it all neatly into the included carrying case, and you're ready for adventure anywhere. The TD12 LCD Drone isn't just another RC quadcopter. It's a smart, powerful, and user-friendly flight companion designed for both beginners and enthusiasts who want crisp footage and intuitive control. So whether you're capturing scenic views, learning to fly, or upgrading your gear, the TD12 LCD Drone is built to give you clarity in every flight, power in every movement, and confidence in every takeoff. TD12 LCD Drone. Fly smarter, capture clearer, experience more.